Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing the Dell Inspiron 155515 model. I noticed that there are very little unboxing videos for this laptop up, so I decided that I should make one because when I was buying the laptop I was like, well, I don't know if I like it or not, and there's nothing online to look at, so here's my unboxing video and also first impressions. Okay, this is actually my very first unboxing of a laptop, and so I got out my pretty scissors just to realize I actually do not need them. I can just fold open the box. And it took me an honest while to open up this box, so I'm just going to speed it up for you guys. I got it in the mist blue color, and I'll put the specs on the screen. Here you can see it does look kind of blue. In low quality lighting it looks like almost black, but in natural lighting it looks, you know, a nice silverish blue, so I kind of like that. You have your little manuals, and then it almost slipped off the box and I was like, oh. Anyways. And then of course the charger and the wires. And then lastly came the little cute little added thing that I really liked. It came with a little snack whenever you're hungry while you're unboxing the thing. That was a joke. Please do not eat the little beads in the box, please. There's a charger up close so you can see. Then of course the power cell. Yum! And then of course the manuals that I did not read and discarded very quickly. So here it is, finally the big reveal. I'm taking out the laptop. Of course I struggled here also. That little tape would just not budge off. But I finally got to use my pink scissors. Wow, it took me a while to get that sentence out. But there you go, a little snip snap. And shoop, it's out. Here you can really see the blue color better. It does not look like very obviously blue in real life. As you can see, it looks almost black now. But it depends on how you hold it, how the color looks. Okay, now we're ready to open it, and there you go. Here's the keyboard reveal. It does have a little key number pad on it, which was cool to see. There is the mouse pad and the keyboard a little bit closer so you can see. And then the screen. You can see me in the reflection. So here's me trying to figure out how to power this on. I saw the little fingerprint home button, which actually is very helpful. Now I can just turn on my laptop and just hold my finger over it and it'll open up for me, which is really nice. Compared to having to always like type in your little passcode. And so that's me trying to power it on without plugging it in first. I know, but it is my first unboxing of a laptop, so I just did not, it just missed my mind to plug it in so it could actually start up. So there you go, I got the charger after looking it up online. So then that's me trying to turn it on again for the third time. And you can see me be like, what the heck, why won't it come on? But it's just me being kind of slow. So I'm like, wait, what's wrong with it? What do I do? And I finally go look at the manual to see if I missed something. It was kind of a struggle bus to open up this laptop. And then finally, you see the Dell screen come on. I was so excited. I'm kind of impatient.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay, and then I just go through the motions of setting up my laptop after that. Okay, then I finally finish, and it turns on, and we see this. This is one of my screensavers that I have. I never changed my screensavers since like before middle school, so it's just kind of weird, but whatever. So yeah, now I'm just downloading Chrome because I just like Chrome. I have all my passwords on that thing, so I just like to use Chrome. I downloaded I downloaded like Minecraft, OBS, Steam, Roblox, Discord, everything back onto my computer so I could use it like normal. Okay, I forgot to add a clip of this, but nothing about this laptop is that it has the Dell Mobile Connect, so you can connect your iPhone or Android to your laptop, and you can get notifications from your phone on your laptop, which is really nice, and it makes it just easier just to navigate throughout your systems. It has pretty good screen quality compared to my old laptop. Here's a side-by-side comparison. You can see that the colors are easily more vibrant, and you can just, and it's, it's just better picture quality, like way better by far. One thing I didn't like though is the mouse pad. It's kind of it's matte instead of plastic. I guess I'm just used to plastic. But for me, it's hard to rub my finger over it. But good thing it's also touchscreen, so it's fine. It doesn't really matter that much. If I can't, I can just use the screen, So yeah, that is my new laptop. I really like it. I like how it looks. I like the sleek quality of it. It is kind of heavy in my opinion, but maybe I'm just a little weak girl. Who knows? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and like and subscribe and comment any questions you have. Bye bye.